start. Can you hear me clearly? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the thing is, personally, what I do trade, or the name of this strategy, a lot of people call it MSNR, which represents Malaysian SNR, but no, that is not the thing I trade, though it looks similar. What I do trade is key levels, then structure, and liquidity. That combination of three, it is what I do trade. But all these three criteria are tradable. You can trade key levels alone, you can trade structures alone, you can trade liquidity alone, and you can make a lot of money out of the market. So today I'm going to just deliver only one, which is key levels. Key levels are decisional points or levels, meaning these key levels are levels. Okay, when price reaches those levels, it is where we are going to decide from. For example, this is our key level here. So price has been coming from a certain point, running to our key level. So I didn't say that once you see price reaches at your key level, buy or sell. No. Remember, a key level is a decisional point. So we are going to decide whether we are going to sell or we are going to buy of any key level we will be having here. So once price reaches there, we will be deciding whether to buy, whether to sell, or not doing anything at all. So that is the simplest introduction I can give on key levels. So today we are going to learn how key levels look like and how can we use those key levels to trade. So there are six key levels, and one is the support. I think we are familiar with that one. 2 is the resistance. Then 3 is the support, like this. Support breaks, becomes resistance. In bracket we can call this the SBBR, or you can just call it the SBR. Support becomes resistance. Then the fourth one is the resistance, breaks, becomes support. In short, you can call it the RBS, resistance becomes support. Then the fifth one, we have what we call the open close level. In bracket we can call it the OCL, meaning the open close level. Then the sixth is the Quasimodo. I don't know if it is spelled like that, Quasimodo. And in short we can call it the QM. I know a lot of us are familiar with this one. So these are the only key levels we have, and these are the only key levels we trade. There are 6. We have the support, we have the resistance, we have the support breaks becomes resistance. So this is a formation of a support, then a support gets broken, then it becomes a resistance. So that is our SBR. Then the fourth one, we are having the resistance breaks becomes support. So this is probably from a resistance level being broken, and then it becomes the support. So we have the open close candle. It is a combination, sorry, a open close level. It is a combination of two candles, and they are all of the same color, or they are heading in the same direction. Maybe both of them are bullish candles. They can be bearish candles, but both of them are of the same nature. And where the other opened, it is where the other closed from. So that is why it is called the open close level. We shall go much in details about it. So we have the QM, or the Quasimodo, and that one, I think a lot of us are familiar with it. So we are going to break down one on one. We are going to break down one on one. So the first one, it is the support. The first one, it is a support. Let me hope a lot of us, I don't know how many are we, but let me hope we are having our pens and papers to note this little information down for further reference. So a support level, we can call it in bracket a classic V. So, or you can call it a V shape, no problem. V shape. So this here, let me give a little details about it. It's made of two candles. If I say two candles and you are marking it using three candles, you have something wrong on your head. If I say 5 candles, it is 5 candles. Whatever information I'm letting out, quote it clearly. So it's made of two candles, a bullish candle. Okay, I can say it is made of two candles of a different nature. So in that I mean a bullish one, candle, and a bearish one. Yeah, so that is our support level. Okay, let me make them respectively. It has to be a bullish, it has to be a bearish first, then a bullish last. Bullish, then here a bearish. Yeah, something like this. So I'm going to use our traditional colors, and we know a bullish candle. Okay, we are starting with a bearish one. A bearish candle is red in color due to our traditional colors, and then a bearish one, or a bullish one, sorry, it is green in color, like this. So once you see these two candles like this, the formation of these two candles, so okay, the wicks can be there as well, no problem. But once you see two candles like this, this can be a little bit short, it can be long. Understand? I don't care. We don't care about anything else. As long as you see a formation of a bearish candle and it closes, then you see an open, low, a high, and close of a bullish candle. So that is a formation of a bullish candle. Remember, it opens, it goes lower a bit to create this wick, it goes higher to create another wick, then it closes a bit lower. So once you see a formation of a bearish candle and it closes, then you see a formation of a bullish candle and it closes as well. Don't care about it being you can say, okay, it has broken this low or this high. No, we don't care. Just look for this exact pattern. We don't care the nature of these candles. Is it short? Is it tall? No. We don't need it being a dodgy candle. No. As long as it is a colored candle. So maybe it is bearish and then this is bullish. These two. Then where these two candles make a level here. In case you don't understand something I'm explaining, you can unmute yourself and ask. If you are understanding, we can proceed. So where they do make a level, we don't care about the wicks. Is this long? No problem. Is it short? No problem. Is there a wick? No problem. We don't care. Are you seeing a bearish candle? Yes, I'm seeing it. Are you seeing a bullish one? Yes, I'm seeing it. Mark that level as, oh bro, just mark it for me and say, okay, this is a support level or a V-shape. Why do we call it a V-shape? Because if you switch from candles to line chart, you will find it will be making something like this, a V-shape. A V-shape. So whenever you are seeing a V-shape, you are having a support level at the edge of that V-shape. I'm giving a lot of time to supports and resistance because there are the origins of the other 4 key levels. Once you know support and you know resistance, other key levels are going to be easy for you. So this is how a support level looks like. A quick one here before we do proceed. I don't know if I can clearly see my charts. And I don't want to lose this information here, but I wanted to give. Okay, yeah, they are here. They are here. Okay. So see something here. These are the candle colors I'm using. Black, or it is dark gray. It is representing a bearish candle, and then the white candle, it is the bullish one. So what did I say? I said a creation of a bearish candle, then a creation of a bullish candle, as long as it closes. Now it has closed. What are we having here? Mark it. It is a support level. That one. It is a support level. And I've said you can call it a V-shape. Why? You go to line chart, you will find that V-shape. So wherever you are seeing a V-shape, you are having a support. So you can clearly see this is a V-shape as well. So let us go and check it out. Are you seeing a bearish candle and a bullish candle? This level here is called a support level. So this is support and this is support. That is it. That is it all about support. You understand? So let us run. Okay, have I cleared everything? I don't know, but okay, no, it is here. Alright, so I'm not seeing my information. I don't know where could it be. Okay, it is here. So now we know how a support level looks like. So let us head to resistance level. Wewe kyotumbudde ki kivulu kikoze wanaati. resistance level, and we can call this the A shape. And it is also made of two candles of a different nature. So from here we are starting with the bullish one, and a bearish one. Yeah. So it's made of two candles of a different nature, a bullish candle and a bearish candle. Note it down. Yeah, if you take it for granted, no problem. That is the main reason as to why a lot of people are still behind. Somebody will tell you something, you will take it for granted. Time will reach, this information I'm sharing here, it will be that information you'll be needing to use, understand, and you are not recalling each and every step. Okay, we do have strong heads, but not strong enough for all this information to go there quickly. But if you do note it down in your free time, you will go through it. It will make a lot of sense. The main reason as to why a lot of people are failing in forex, they do take it as a side hustle. Bro, this is the main thing. 100%. It is the main business. So a bullish candle and a bearish one. So bullish is green and bearish is, okay, hold on. Then this is red in color. So I told you I don't care about wicks. I don't care about what, as long as I'm having that bullish candle and I'm having a bearish candle as well. That is all I'm up to. So here we don't mark the low here. No way we are marking that. We just mark here where these two candles, as I explained in the first example, where these two candles make a level here, it is where we are going to mark. And this time round, it is not going to be a V shape, but it is going to be an A shape. Remember, an A looks like this, like that.
I have a question.
Yes, you can ask, please.
In accordance to what you have just taught us,
Okay.
are we supposed to have them on the same levels? Like the close. Okay, I'm going to use the first one for the support.
Okay.
Are we supposed to have the closing price of the bearish candle the same price as the opening price of the bullish candle?
Okay. I'm getting your point, sir. So the thing is, yeah, it has to be, and there is a lot of TradingView brokers, but if you want to get the best broker which will print for you accurate candles, you will definitely use the forex.com, not the Owanda, not the, but you can find Owanda like this. It will be doing something like this. Yeah, like this. But they are of the same level. But Owanda is printing this. But forex.com, yeah, will be very accurate. And if it is not accurate for you, I told you, you visit what? The line chart. So the line chart will never lie. Whenever you see a V shape on a line chart, just know you have a support. And wherever you see the A shape, you are having that what? Resistance. So mark that edge, that sharp edge of that A shape, or that sharp edge of that V shape. Mark it. That edge for the A shape, it is the resistance level. The edge for the V, it is the support level. So let us look at like 3 to 4 examples of resistance level, then we move on to something else. Okay. Mm-hmm. Are you seeing this? I said a buying candle and a selling candle. Once this closes, mark it for me, indicate its name, resistance, or an S shape. Why is it called an S shape? I told you line chart will never lie. Are you seeing it is something like an S shape? If you add this, yeah, it is an A. Understand? So that is why it is called an S shape. So if you see here, this is a V shape. Are you seeing this? This is a V shape. If we go back, it is a support 100%. Are you seeing? Bearish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle, support, resistance. Look at this. What is this? Bullish candle, bearish candle. See here, what is this? Resistance. Now one will come at the line chart, you will find such a scenario. Am I fast? Huh?
Speed is okay.
Okay. So you'll find something like this. Now one will say, yo bro, what is this? This is not an A shape. It is not having that edge, that knife edge. What is this? Yo bro, just visit that candle and you will see it will be something like this. Bro, how do we mark this? Are you seeing a bullish candle? Yes, I do. Are you seeing a bearish one? Yes, I do. Okay, no problem. Put it for me there. You understand? Now one will say, bro, this thing is not adding up. This is a bullish candle and this is a bearish candle. What is this level, honestly? You know what will I tell him? If you find it confusing, leave it. Because you told us, okay, a bullish candle has to be on the same level as a bearish one. So a bullish candle is here, a bearish one is here. Where should I put my level? Here or here? Bro, leave it. It is not a must that you will have to trade each and every key level you find. No, just leave it for me. Go and focus on another pair. Get something else to do. If you don't have any pair, you're only trading one pair and you're having this level, just go and watch a movie. No problem. Leave that. So I seeing this here. I've said bullish candle, bearish candle, resistance, bearish candle, yep, bearish candle, bullish candle, support. So is anybody on this live who is not familiar now with what we call support or resistance? Okay, that silence means a lot to me. We can proceed to the third key level. Okay. And you can find them on any time frame. And okay, in case somebody is asking, yo, what time frame should I use? Yeah, I will tell you, don't worry. We are going to break them down one by one. Okay, so after finishing our support and finishing our resistance, what is next? So we are going to look at the RBS and the SBR at the same time. No, one by one. Yes. Okay, hold on. So we are going to first look at the RBS. I told you the RBS, it means resistance becomes support, but it becomes support after being what? Broken. RBS. Okay, so this is the resistance becomes support, or the RBS. Okay, so now, okay, no problem. I will still explain, and you will find somebody is not noting down this information. No problem. Do what you have to do, and I'm doing what I'm here for. It's formed or it's created when a resistance level gets broken or bleached. And see, this is crucial. Closed. Okay. And the candle has to be like this. And the candle that broke it has to first close. So if you don't see it closing and now you are telling me you are having your RBS level, bro, you have a problem. You have a problem. So the thing is like this. We had a support level. After having a support level, then the next candle, it can be the next one, it can be a 5 candles away. You understand? It can be the second candle, third candle, then the fifth one, it closes above, no problem, as long as you had this level. And then after a while or right away, the next candle comes and it does something like this. What was this level? It was a level of resistance. Then after, the next candle did what? Broke this level. After breaking this level, it is no longer a resistance. Now it is an RBS. It was a resistance, now it is a support. We can use this now for buys. Remember, we use support level for buys and then resistance level for sells. So it was a selling level. It got broken. Now it is a buying level. You can buy from it. You understand? But remember, I told you these are decisional points. We will decide if we are to buy from it or no. Okay? So the question is here. I'm not going to wait for anybody else to ask me this question. Bro, do we wait for this candle to close above here, above the wicks? No, don't. You see, in this strategy, we care less about the wicks. You understand? We care less about the wicks. All you need to see is a candle closure. So if it does close from here, don't know, maybe people are making noise here. Okay, if it does like this, you understand? If it does closes like this, even if the wicks are still higher, no, I've said it is formed when a resistance level, so this is a resistance level, gets broken. It is broken, and the candle that broke it closes. The moment you see it closing, now this is an RBS. Don't you see, even if it is like this, a simple break above, it is okay as long as it is a break. I've not said that you have to wait for the wicks to be broken. What? No, bro. I've said a break. Simple. Like that. Okay. If you do recall, I'm asking one person. You can unmute your mic and tell me which level is this, please. Huh?
Support.
Okay. Thank you. That is it. So we will be having the creation of a new support. No problem. What are we going to do? Don't ask me now. Wait. Just keep it simple. It is simple. Keep it simple. So this is a level. It has been broken. Yes, it has been broken. So after breaking this level, what is next? Don't worry. Now you know that, okay, this is a RBS. See, you can even revise it in your head. Resistance breaks by this candle, then it becomes what? It becomes support. So how does it look like? How does it look like? Okay, bro, we don't know how does it look like. Hey, okay, keep quiet, I'm here for you. This is the level. This is the level. So this was a support level. Okay, this is a very good example. Are you seeing these are not on level? So one will ask, how am I marking this? Go to the line chart and ask a lot of questions. Mark that for me. Done deal. This is our key level now. Okay, so this here, if you go to the line chart, yep, it is clear now. See? Okay. So this is a resistance level, a bullish candle and a bearish candle. Okay, the second candle didn't break this level. Then the third one did break. Are we considering this as an RBS resistance broken becomes support? Yes, we do. So we can wait for it to tap and it moves. Understand? If it doesn't tap and it moves, no problem. I said these are decisional levels. I didn't see whenever I see it, buy from it. Okay, so that is it. This is how an RBS looks like. This is how an RBS looks like. Let us see if we can spot another one here. Now this is a good example as well. See here, which level is this? Who can tell me which key level is this? This one. Nobody remembers. This early. Huh? Okay. Let me make it simple for you, maybe a bit more simple. Which level is this here? A bullish candle and a bearish candle.
Resistance.
Now this is a resistance level. Thank you. So once it gets broken, once it is broken, it is an RBS. It is resistance broken becomes what? Support. And you can clearly see the more price went. See, the first candle didn't, the second didn't, the third didn't, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, blah 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 blah. Then after this candle here, it is the candle which broke it. What is this level? It is called resistance breaks becomes support. It was a resistance level, now it was broken, it is a support level now. So that is how simple it is. Let us head very quick, because I think we are 30 minutes on this Google Meet. I don't know how many hours do they offer, but I think it is not more than an hour. So maybe we should be having another link to be shared, but we have to finish this right about today. Who knows?
It is unlimited.
It is unlimited, eh?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, we can roll it, no problem. That was my only issue. So I can go as slow as I can. Okay, so here, what are we having here? Okay, it is a support level. Coach said this is a support level. Once you see another candle, okay, why is it a support level? It is a combination of a bearish candle and a bullish candle. So once you see another candle, now one will say, okay, you know, people are having funny questions. Guy will come here and he will ask me, what if this is a bullish candle and then another bullish candle comes and it breaks? How do we consider it? Can a bullish candle sell? No, there is no way it will do that. So I will not accept such questions. Thank you. So okay, we can delete this. Yeah, we don't need it. The main reason as why I'm not putting the wicks, they are not necessary. They are not. Their turn when wicks value, when we value the wicks, okay, the time is coming, no problem. So this is a level here. It is a V shape. We can call it what? Support. Then once you see this support being broken, hear me, once you see this support being broken, S representing support, B representing broken, then B representing becomes, then R represents what? Resistance. So it was a support level, it is broken, now it is a resistance. We want to, remember I said we buy from supports. Now a support has been broken, we can sell from it now. It was a support. Once it is broken, it changes its state from a support level to a resistance level. So this is how an SBR looks like. It is not different from an RBS, it is just the opposite. So let us look at a few examples again. So are you seeing how simple it is? Okay, you will know where does it get hard from. No problem, laugh. Yeah, I'm not seeing. Okay, I just see them then. This is it. Okay, let me see if I can spot a few. Yeah, there are many, I know. Okay, what are we having here? What are we having here? This is a support level. Tested once, twice. I told you we don't care how many candles. Are they 10? Okay, they are 10. Are they 20? Okay, they are 20. At the end of that day, is that level broken? Yes, it is. Mark it. Mark it. It was a support level, broken. Now it is what? Resistance. Same thing happened here. Support level 1 2 3 4 5 blah blah candles. Then this candle, the moment this candle breaks and it closes, if it has not closed yet, shut up, I said let it close. Now it has not closed already. Now you want to start looking for sales when price reach at this level. What are you trading, bro? I said wait for it to do what? To close. Keep it simple. Has it closed? Yes sir, it has closed. Okay, now it is S representing support, B breaks, then another B becomes what? Resistance. And you will find a lot of these examples on the chart, but I'm just bringing out few. But you can find thousands, because market just moves like this. It creates support or resistance levels, it respects them, it breaks them, it does whatever it wants with them, no problem. Okay. So let us move to the fifth. You see how we are rolling? Yeah, from 1 now we are on 4. We are moving to the fifth one until we finalize them to the 61. I said another one is called an OCL. Okay. It is called an OCL, or an open and closed level. I think I don't need this anymore. OCL, we call it what? Open, close, level. Now one person will pop up and he will say, bro, these are hard. Okay, why are they hard? Didn't you go to school? I was there. Now why is it still hard? You hear the word open, you hear the word close, you hear the word level, and you are saying it is. I said okay, Let me briefly explain about this. It's created or formed by two candles. I've said two. Have you had me mentioning three? No, I've said two candles. It's created by two candles of the same nature. Same nature, I mean same color. Bullish, bullish, bearish, bearish. Same nature. I have nothing much to say about this. Okay, this is a bearish candle, red in color, and another bearish candle, red in color. Do we consider the wicks? No, we don't. Can they be there? Yes, they can. If they are not there, no problem. I'm asking for you and I'm answering for you. Thank you. So this is the thing. This candle opened from here. Remember, that is how if there are those people, there is what they call the candlestick anatomy. It is something like this: open, high, high, then low, close. Is it? Something like that. So a bearish candle, it opens, then it buys a little, then it sells, then it retraces a little, then it closes. So it is the same thing here. Open, high, low, then close. Where did it close from? It closed from here. Okay. How about another one? It opened from here. Open, high, low, close. So where this first candle closed and where the second candle opened in between there, that is our level of what? OC L, the open, close. This is where this opened from, and this is where the other one closed from. Are you seeing this word open? Where did this first one open from? Here. This is close. Where did this close from? Here. Open, close. Mark that level for us. Yeah, it is better that way. Okay, let me charge a little. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back now. So this is where this one opened, and this is where this closed from. So this is called an open close level. Okay, now how can we regard this? We regard this as a resistance. Why? We use resistance levels for sales. These are bearish OC. Okay, this is a bearish OCL. Why? These are bearish candles. If they are bullish candles, it is a bullish OCL. Due to what? They are bullish candles, and it is what? A level of support. We will use it for buys. How do we get buys from there? Hold on. Why are you rushing? Where are you going? Bro, hold on. Okay. You've told me to hold on. I'm holding on. Thank you for holding on. This is what? A bullish candle. This is what? A bullish candle also. Okay, no problem. This is where this opened from, and this is where this closed from. Open, close. So this is a level. Simple. I've said this is simple. Open, close. Have you seen this opened from here, this closed from here, that level in between there? Mark it. Mark it. What is this? Same thing. So should I first show you 100 of these? What is this? Same thing. This is the easiest. And this is a bullish OCL because it is created by bullish candles. This too is a bullish one these two. So for the case of these, you can't catch this candle because it was bullish and this because it was bullish and call them OCLs. No, they have to be next to each other. First one, second one. Don't tell me that, okay, I'm catching this because its closing price is the same as this opening price. I will slap you. So just consider this: open close, open close, open close. These are bullish open close. Bro, okay, you are telling us bullish open close. Are we not having bearish one? Are you sure? Okay. What are we having there? 1. Okay. What are we having here? 2. Okay. What are we having here? 3. You understand? That is how simple it is. This is an OCL level as well, bullish one. So there are many and they are simple. And I've said if you are having any question before proceeding to anything else, you can drop it, we battle it, we proceed. So that was very simple. I think we don't have any question regarding that one. Let us proceed to our final key level. Okay, we have looked at support, resistance, support breaks becomes resistance. This is the SBR, then RBS, then open close. Then we are looking at the Quasimodo, that is the QM. Those people who use engineered liquidity, that is your best weapon, which cannot kill anyone. Use the weapon, no problem. Okay, so this is the QM, and okay, let me do this on a line chart. An RBS looks like this. This is a resistance level which is broken, and now it is a support. That is an RBS. And an SBR looks like this. It is a support level, broken becomes what? Resistance. So this is the support level, broken by this, then it is now what? Resistance. So these are the two. This is the RBS and this is the SBR on the line chart. This is how they do look like. Because I didn't show them to you, no problem, I can go back for your sake. What is this? This is a support level, sorry, a level of resistance being broken. Now it is what? Resistance becomes support, RBS. Same here. This is level of what? Resistance. Broken becomes what? Support. So see how it looks like on the line chart. That is how it looks like. An A shape being broken. You understand? That is it. So let us go back to where we were. Okay. I said this. These are our levels of RBS and SBR. So how do we come out? How do we come out with the QM? You will find an RBS or an SBR first, then after. Okay, remember this was a resistance level, then broken becomes support. Then this support which is created has to be broken too. Like this, has to be done like this. So this is the what? The QM. Now the QM people knew, they knew that okay, the QM price has to do what? Has to make this pattern. You break above and then break below. No, we don't need that here. It is a matter of candle closure. Once you see any once you see any RBS being broken or violated, it is a QM now. if you see any SBR being broken or violated, is a QM now. I don't care. I've said a key level which is named RBS or SBR. So I've said being broken, and I told you even this is a break. This here is a break. So we don't need to wait for it to do this. No, we don't. That is enough for us. How does it look like? I'm not just going to draw an illustration. I'm going to show it to you on these charts. So we do have the bullish ones and we do have the bearish ones. No problem. They are all QMs. If I show you an example of a bullish one, you will find yourself a bearish one. But good enough, I'm here. I'm going to share with you all of them. Now, what is this? It is something I've been telling people all over. Let me do it again. No problem. This is what resistance. Thank you for answering it in your heart. If you said support, okay, I will not punish you. We go again. Then price comes, boom. Wait, why is this thing so quick? That's 3x, but yo, okay, the thing is like this. Resistance broken. Now it is what? RBS. I told you the pattern, so you can't spot it. It is this pattern. RBS resistance breaks becomes what? Support. So I told you the moment this level here is broken, we are having a QM. Okay, if this candle is going to open from here, let us assume after opening from there, then it just does like something like this. It closes from here. Bro, is this a QM? Yes, it is. Why? The key level has been broken. Okay, if it has stopped here and then the wick is here, okay, I don't know, no problem. Maybe, okay, like this, the wick is here. Is it? No, it is not. Why? The level has not been broken. Just price wicked there. Understand? So we need that candle closure below the key level. I've not said below the candle. I've not said below the wick. The key level. So something like this. Okay, how about when it is this? It is still okay. Yep. It is okay. How about this? It is okay. How about this? Okay. As long as this level here. How about this? No, bro, it is not okay at all. It is not. Wait for it. Let it come down here. Let it close. No problem. We do have that level as our QM. Quasimodo. Simple. You see here? Okay, it has been broken. Now this is a QM. Are you seeing? Now you will find something like this on the line chart. Simple. I think a resistance level being broken, RBS being broken again, QM. Okay, now one will ask, what if it gets broken again? What is that? Relax. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. Let us look at another example here. Okay. Let us look at another example here. But okay. A lot is happening here. I think this is the last I'm giving. Then we go to another thing. Level of what? Support. Okay. Price comes, breaks it. It is what? SBR. Then what? Okay. Exactly where I paused. Bro, is this a QM? Yes, it is. No, you have to wait for it to break this high. Don't wait. I've said if you see this key level here, which was a support, breaks becomes resistance, being broken again, it is a QM. As long as this candle here closes, so it has closed from here, this is a key level, and it is called what? QM. Don't ask. It is QM. So let me take this opportunity to thank each and everybody who turned up for this session, and you have reached this far. Yeah, we are almost an hour here, so we have finished the first phase of the 3 phases we are going to look at today. There are 3. We have finished the first one, which is called key levels. Now, what are we going to look at next? Fresh and unfresh key levels. Okay, where do we use fresh key levels and where do we use unfresh key levels? First thing first, we only use a fresh key levels, or a fresh key level, or we only use fresh key levels, and we don't use unfresh key levels. If you see a key level being unfresh, we don't use that one. If you see a key level fresh, we use that key level. How do we use it? Okay, that is the third and the last thing. You get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so for example, we do have a support level here. It is a V shape, our support. Then it is unfresh. The first question has to be in your mind, what makes a key level unfresh? What makes a key level unfresh? Now I can remove all of the drawings I had. Okay, but I think, yeah. This is a key level here, and it is a support level. What makes it fresh, or what makes it to be called fresh, and what makes it unfresh? If it is fresh, you will find a support level when it has not been mitigated. So a week, listen, let me write this down. The problem, you didn't come with your pens and pencils, then you didn't bring papers along or a notebook. A week, I'm saying a week, a candles week, not 7 days make a week. A week of a candle makes a key level unfresh. And then a break of a key level makes it fresh again. Simple. Okay, is this fresh? Yes. Why? We are not having a week of a candle tapping this level. Okay, let us assume this week here tapped this key level. I'm saying a tap. This is what? Is this a tap? No, it is not. Is this a tap? Yes, it is. Is this a tap? Yes, it is. As long as it reaches this level here. Bro, is this fresh? No, it is not. Why? A week of a candle makes a key level unfresh. So once you see a week of a candle tapping a key level, it has made it what? Unfresh. You have to see it tapping and then closing. A tap and a closure. You understand? So this is unfresh. Do we use unfresh key levels? No, we don't. How does it becomes fresh again? Okay, if it is tapped, it is unfresh. If you find another candle and it comes, it breaks this key level here, it is fresh again. It is fresh again. This is the same thing I've been explaining. This is a resistance here, sorry, a support, then tapped, it is unfresh now, broken. Now it is what? S support becomes resistance, SBR. Now you can use it for sales. Now if the next candle does something like this, Okay, then it's weak, boom, taps here. This is no longer fresh, it is unfresh. How can it be fresh again? Another candle, then it comes and it breaks here. Now it is fresh again. Now how is it called? A QM. Okay, if it is broken again, now it is no longer a QM, it is not an RBS, it is not a support, it is not what, it is just a key level. Why? Because it has been broken a lot of times, so we are no longer having a name for it. So is there any question before I explain or I take you through more examples of key levels being fresh and being unfresh? Is there any question? Okay, this is simple. See here. What is this? A QM. Why? It was a support, broken becomes resistance, broken again, it is a QM. Okay, so if it is a QM, price taps the QM, then it moves. If it rejects, it has respected. If it has respected, it is no longer fresh, it is unfresh. Now you'll find price coming back to this level, and you find people they want to use this level again. How did I do this? Yo. Okay, all right. So you will find when it comes here, people will use it again. No, don't ever use this. Once you find a key level, when it has been tapped by a wick, it is unfresh. If it is unfresh, it is used as liquidity. So the next time price will visit this level, it will not hold. It will just do what? It will just go through. Understand? Only if it goes where it goes, then it comes back. It closes below. It is fresh again. How is it called? QMRBS? No, that is not a name even. RBS OCL? No, it is wrong. It is called what? A key level. If I'm on a daily time frame, I will clearly say this is a daily key level. So it is a decision point for me. Let me wait for price to reach there. I make my own decision. Simple. So I think I've broken down key levels, and I've broken down as well fresh and unfresh. Okay, before I go further, what is this? A resistance. Broken becomes what? Support. What did price do? It respected it. How did it respect it? It rejected of it. Okay, after rejecting of it, what does it mean? This key level is no longer fresh again. Once you see price coming back on it, don't temper to look for buys from here. This is liquidity, it will be taken out. Why? Key level has been tested, it is unfresh. We only use fresh key levels. Look at this, it is fresh. Fresh what? RBS. Bro, these candles are not on the same line. That is broker slippage. You don't care, just go to the line chart. Are you seeing how accurate it is? Take your trades of that of that key level, no problem. That is it. So any question before? Hold on, bro. I talked about something and I forgot about something. I talked about QM and I did not talk about QMs made by OCLs. Okay, I didn't talk about that. See, this is an OCL. So if an OCL gets broken, it gives us a QM as well. Bro, this information is very sweet. So this is an OCL. Once it is broken from above, now it has given us a QM. Now people will say, bro, we can call this RBS. I've said, bro, it is QM. Another name, if you want to change, you can call it left shoulder. See, what is this? It is a QM. Sorry, it is an OCL, a bullish OCL. it gets broken by this candle. Now it is what? QM. We can use this level for what? Sales. It is QM. So this is OCL. I think the next candle breaks it. Now it is what? It is QM, or it is left shoulder. Then it is broken again. Still it is left shoulder. Okay, you can just call it a what? A key level. No problem. Yeah, once price comes back on it, you can take advantage. So that is all. That is all. I've told you key levels. Now I've given you extra one. I've told you resistance 1, support 2, RBS 3, SBR 4, OCL 5, QM 6, and then 7 QM by OCL. I've told you fresh key levels, and I've told you unfresh key levels. See, now people are dormant here. If you are dozing, no problem. You are dozing in your future. Am I holding it? No. You are looking at it. See.
Osman.
Yes, please.
I have a question about the QM use.
Okay.
Like if you follow up the entries on exec that we always have, you usually have QMs on the liquidity engineering. Yeah. So in accordance.
Bro, I think it is your network. I'm no longer hearing you. Are you guys hearing me? Yo, network yange bwevuddeko. You lost your connection. Try to reconnect. Atobera zero. How did it duck inside with ducky? Maybe it is back. Okay. Ekomeo. Let me try reconnecting. Yanizwakaitiride nice. Mara shida yo kuzoom. What are you?
I worship you.
Mate.com. I ain't going about. I think I should just end the recording.